What's your favorite thing to plant? What's the
Yam
thing?
and tomato and pepper.
Yam, tomato, pepper.
Planting.
Everything, but you don't have one thing that you love that you say, yes, this is my favorite.
I like the tomato, but it have its failures at times.
What are the ups and downs of the tomato?
Lack of water.
Needing a lot of water.
Yeah.
It's a crop that needs a lot of attention.
Yep.
So that would be a number one thing that you love to plant then, you would say.
Yes, I do.
What is the part of farming then that you don't like?
Maybe weeding the grass.
You don't like the weeding part?
No, I do it, but
It's not your
a part
favorite.
of it.
It's not your favorite part.
No. I just like farming and a whole. It doesn't matter, but bending down to weed it's hard work.
Okay, understood.
Have a strain on your back.
Okay. If you didn't have tomatoes to plant, what's the next thing you'd love to plant?
I like to plant the sweet pepper and the yam.
Sweet pepper and the yam. But isn't the sweet pepper very similar to the tomato anyways?
Yeah, in that sense, but it doesn't take the kind of care that tomato takes.
Doesn't take the kind of care. Okay.